Always super excited to market a property in this building. Every time I've sold a property in Shannon, they've been snapped up really quickly. And when you see this place, it's easy to see why. The pool here is amazing. All your mates can come here for the summer and you can kick back and relax in the cabanas and just have a few beers, or just over to the side there, you've got a nice big barbecue area. Pretty much smack bang in the middle of the Alexandra Golden Triangle. It's no wonder that apartments in Shannon sell so quickly. So this apartment has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, but we've seen some great renovations in this building where people have put a 2nd bathroom in. One of the reasons why this building is so popular with buyers is that the body corporates here are incredibly affordable and the sinking fund is really healthy. It's such a rare chance to buy blue chip Alexandra Headland property.